Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate checkboxes in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a really useful skill when you're working with forms and need to add multiple checkboxes without creating each one from scratch, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your document. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've recently worked on, making it quick to locate the file you need. From your recent files, select the PDF file where you want to change the checkbox position or add duplicates. Now, in the upper left corner of your screen, click on All Tools. This opens up a comprehensive menu where you can access all the features Adobe Acrobat offers. From here, look at the left sidebar and click on View More. This expands additional options that might not be immediately visible in the default view. Look for Prepare a Form and click it. This tool is specifically designed for working with interactive PDF forms, allowing you to add, edit, and manage form fields like checkboxes, text fields, and buttons. Once you're in the form editing mode, you'll be able to see all the existing form fields in your document highlighted. Next, right-click on the checkbox you want to duplicate. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Copy. This action copies the checkbox along with all its properties, including size, style, and any existing settings. Now press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste it. The duplicated checkbox will appear in your document, and you can click and drag it to position it wherever you need. The great thing about duplicating this way is that the new checkbox retains all the formatting and properties of the original, ensuring visual consistency throughout your form. If you want multiple duplicates at once, there's an even faster method. Highlight all the checkboxes you want to duplicate by holding down Shift and clicking each one. Once they're all selected, right-click and select Copy from the menu, then paste them using Ctrl+V, and you'll have multiple duplicates ready to position as needed. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. This ensures that your duplicated checkboxes are permanently added to your PDF form. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated checkboxes in your PDF, making form creation much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.